All right, y'all. So I said I was gonna show y'all what I had in mind to fix this gap under my door. As you can see, it there's a little step down here, so it allows for insects to step up into my house. So I got this pipe insulation situation from, I got two sizes from Home Depot. No, yeah. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to slide this along the door. These cost less than $2, and it's like 6 foot long of piping, so you can cut it to where you need it. And I'm gonna put that there, and we'll see how that works. The only thing is, I think I'll have to take it off when I want to open the door, because when you open the door, of course, it's flush there, so I wouldn't be able to open the door with it on. So we're gonna give it a go. I'm gonna put it on and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've cut that piece. That I want to say that was, what size is this? I don't know. I think this was 2-inch. It's either 1.5 or 2-inch, as far as the diameter goes. That was the pipe that it would fit to. Yeah, this is 1.5. Okay, this is 1.5 by 6 foot long, and I basically cut a little more than half of it, and then I just opened it like this. Where the opening was, they pre-cut it, and then I just kind of slid it under there, and I think that closed it up pretty good. I mean, it's not exactly perfect, but I'm not seeing the light, and I have the light on out there. And again, like I said, I'm not gonna be able to open the door with it, so I'll have to pull it out like this. I have to just pull it out if I want to go in and out this door, but I don't go in and out this door very often. It's the service door, and so I think that'll be good to keep the critters out. So that was like a $2 solution to maybe $4, because I bought 2 of them because I wasn't sure the size or if I needed to put 2 of them together. I didn't know. I kind of had something weird going on in my brain as far as how this was going to work out in real life, but I'm sure I will find a use for that installation. I do have another door over here that because that insulation is only, I think, 1 inch or either ½ an inch, but this door has a small gap under the bottom. It's very hard to see, but it's a very similar situation where there's like a little step down here, and so there's a gap in between there. So we'll see. I'll play around with it. But anyway, if you're looking for some reasonable solutions, because those draft stoppers are like $15-16, and they look pretty cheaply made to me. At least this stuff, you can use it on pipes, so I guess it should be able to last through heat and all kinds of stuff like that. And that's that. So it's cheap. And if you try it, let me know. Anywho, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.